Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore income from YouTube Shorts using YouTube Studio, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open YouTube Studio and log into your account. On the left-hand menu, click on Analytics. In the Analytics section, navigate to the Overview tab. Scroll down to locate the Your Shorts section. Here, you can find key performance metrics for your Shorts content. Take note of your views, watch time, and audience retention rates. Next, click on the Content section in the left-hand menu. This will show you all your uploaded videos, including Shorts. Identify your most successful Shorts by looking for high view counts. Select a specific short you want to analyze further. Click on the title of the short to open its dedicated analytics page. Review the Engagement tab to see how viewers interacted with your short. Look for comments and likes to gauge audience sentiment. Now, head back to the main analytics page. Focus on the Revenue section. Examine any changes in revenue specifically related to Shorts. Consider clicking on top earning videos for deeper insights. Once you find patterns, think about what worked well. Plan to create similar content based on these successful metrics. Next, check the Audience tab in the Analytics menu. Understand who your viewers are and their demographics. Use this information to tailor your future Shorts content. Now, navigate to the Monetization section on the left. Ensure that your channel is eligible for monetization. Check if you've met the YouTube Partner Program requirements. Consider promoting your Shorts on other social media platforms. This can help drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. Lastly, stay consistent with your posting schedule for Shorts. Regular uploads will keep your audience engaged and coming back. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.